if two events A and B will be independent. Okay, so there are four options. Let's see how to solve this. So they have given A and B are independent. If the events are independent, then P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B will be P of A into P of B, P of A into P of B. Okay, so now this condition, I'm going to start with P of neither A nor B. So P of A intersection A dash intersection B dash, this one is equal to, so we can consider by using a De Morgan's law, so we can take this as P of A union B, A union B the whole dash, P of A union B the whole dash. Now we all know any not event can be taken as 1 minus event, that is 1 minus P of A union B, P of A union B. So now the general formula of P of A union B, you all know, it is 1 minus, let's take a bracket, it is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B. So this is the general formula. Now if you multiply minus inside, everything becomes negative apart from P of A intersection B. So I'm going to write that. So 1 minus P of A minus P of B plus P of A into, okay, P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B. So you all know already we have written, so P of A intersection B is nothing but P of A into P of B. So in place of this, I'm going to write P of A into P of B. So is equal to 1 minus P of A minus P of B plus P of A into P of B. Now observe this carefully. So in place here, P of B and P of A into P of B, I'll take P of A, P of B common. So we get 1 minus P of A minus P of B I have taken common. So that means in place of this, 1 will be remaining minus P of A. P of A. Yeah. Now I'm going to consider this as one term and this complete as one term. Okay. So observe carefully, 1 minus P of A is common in both the terms, right? Yeah. So now if I take 1 minus P of A common, 1 minus P of A common, in place of this, 1 will be left out, minus in place of this only P of B will be left out, right? So P of B. So I'll rewrite this once again. What did we get? It is 1 minus P of A into 1 minus P of B. So 1 minus P of A into P of B. So what do we have in the left hand side? Left hand side is nothing but P of A dash intersection B dash. So that we have specified in the first step itself, right? Yes. So after doing all these calculations, we can conclude that option A is the right answer. Sorry, option B. Option B. P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to 1 minus P of A into 1 minus P of B. So option B is the right answer. Next question, integration of root x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to. So inside we have quadratic equation, so that we have to reduce it to the simple form. Simple form is x square plus 2x plus 5. Here the procedure is, first we have to take b. I'll write a general form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. By comparing this, the coefficient next to x is b. So here b is equal to 2. Next step, b by 2 we should do. So b by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Next, b by 2 the whole square. B by 2 the whole square, here it is 1 square, that is 1 only. Now for the given equation, we should add and subtract b by 2 the whole square. That is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. Okay, so it's just an adjustment. This is called completing the square method. So this part can be taken as x plus 1 the whole square, and these two minus 1 plus 5 becomes plus 4. So overall, root of x square plus 2x plus 5 can be taken as root of uh, x plus 1 the whole square plus 4. I'll take it as 2 square. So now we all know the general formula of integrals, that is root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So this is the actual formula. Now in place of a square plus x square, I'm going to replace the actual function x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square dx is equal to x is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 root of, inside this we have to write the question function only, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus a square by 2. A square by 2 is nothing but a value is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 log of x is x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the final answer, plus c. Yeah, plus c we should write, plus c. Now do we have this option log okay, x plus 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 1 plus log x plus 1 root of x square plus 2x plus oh, this is 5, right? I've taken 1. This is 5, sorry. This is 5 and this is 5. Yeah, so can we conclude option B? Yes, option B is the correct answer here. Now, same format, I want you to find the integral of root of x square plus 3x plus 7 dx. X square plus 3x plus 7 dx. So please find the integral of this and put it in the comment section. Next question, integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 theta divided by cos x minus cos theta. So first, to solve this, we have to write cos 2 theta in terms of cos. Yeah, so cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and same cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these two formulas are very important for us. Now in place of this cos 2x, I'm going to replace 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of, since we have two terms, we have to take bracket here, 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole divided by cos x minus cos theta. Okay, since we have to calculate a lot of things, so don't take integration until it's solved. So just continue without an integration symbol. So now we get 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus 1 whole divided by cos x minus cos theta, cos x minus cos theta. Yeah, if you observe carefully, -1 and +1 gets cancels out, and in the 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x and 2 cos square theta, I'll take 2 common. We get cos square x minus sine squared theta. Sorry, why sine square theta? Yeah, it's cos square theta, no? Cos square x minus cos square theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta. So now numerator, if you observe, it is in the form of a square minus b square. That can be taken as a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So here first a square is cos square x. So cos square x minus we have cos square theta. So of course you will know it is cos x plus cos theta. I'll rewrite this, 2 of cos x plus cos theta into cos x minus cos theta, cos x minus cos theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta. So now if we cancel the numerator and denominator, we end up getting only 2 terms. That is, okay, now I'm going to take integration. So 2 times of integration of cos x plus cos theta dx. Very important, don't forget this dx, because we have not changed the integration with respect to x. So now let's differentiate, let's integrate this, 2 I'll keep as it is. Integration of cos x is sin x plus, now we have to be careful. See, we are integrating with respect to x. So here cos theta, so cos theta will be constant. So cos theta and integration of 1 dx. I'll rewrite this once again, integration of 1 dx. Now if we solve this carefully, we get final answer as 2 of sin x plus integration of 1 is nothing but 1 with respect to dx is x. So we get x cos theta. So this is the plus c, plus c. So this is the final answer. So if you observe carefully, we can take what is that answer? 2 sin x plus x cos theta. Yeah, option A, 2 of sin x plus x cos theta is the right answer. Now I want you all to calculate this. I will change the variable, that's all. Please try it out. The question is cos 2 theta minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos theta minus cos alpha into d theta. It's not visible properly. Yes. So this is d theta. So same problem, but I have changed the variable. Use the same strategy and find out the correct answer. Next one. So the volume, the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area when the radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, so before solving this, so we should know 2 formulas, that is the volume of sphere and surface area of sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to, so 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere, and surface area of sphere A is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is the surface area of sphere. So now we have to calculate the rate of change of volume of sphere with respect to surface area. So that is dV by dA we have to find out. dV by dA we have to calculate. Okay, so now let's differentiate both of them separately. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you differentiate this with respect to r, dV by dr is equal to, here 4 by 3 is constant, I'll keep it outside, 4 by 3 even the pi, 4 pi by 3 is constant, we get only r cube to differentiate, so r cube differentiation is 3r square, 3r square. Now if you cancel 3 and 3, we get 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square we got it, that is dV by dr. Okay, so now the other way, we have area is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. Now if you find out dA by dr, dA by dr is equal to 4 pi is constant, r square differentiation is 2r, r square differentiation is 2r. If you multiply this, we get 8 pi r, 8 pi r. Now if you find out dV by dA, we get dV by dr, dV by dr whole divided by dA by dr, dA by dr. So the first one is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square whole divided by, this is 8 pi r, 8 pi r. Now cancel some of these things. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, pi and pi gets cancels out, 1 r and the other r gets cancels out. The left out element is r by 2, r by 2. Now they're asking rate of change of volume with respect to area when radius is 4 centimeter, that is dV by dA when r is equal to 4, r is equal to 4, we get 4 by 2, right? Here we have got r by 2, radius value if I substitute 4, we get 4 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2. Now the unit for this is, the upper unit is volume, so volume is, since it is in centimeter, it becomes centimeter cube per centimeter cube per the area. Area unit is centimeter square. Centimeter square. So the final unit will be 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square is the correct answer. Okay, so please don't cancel this centimeter square and centimeter cube. It has to be there. So the final answer is 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. That is option B is the correct answer. Now the same type of questions, extension question for you all is find out the same unit, find out dV by dA, dV by dA when radius is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Use the same strategy and find out the answers and comment your answers in the comment section. Next question, the value of limit 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 1 minus cos 6 theta when theta tends to 0. Okay, so this problem will be solved by using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is, it's just a differentiation, students. It's like, we differentiate the numerator and denominator separately to avoid 0 by 0 form. Let's see how to do this. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4 theta by 1 minus cos 6 theta. Okay, now if you substitute theta is equal to 0, we get 0 by 0 form. Cos 0 is 0 and denominator cos 0 is also 0. Cos 0 is 1, sorry, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 makes 0 by 0 form. Now let's differentiate the numerator. We get, this is called L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So limit theta tends to 0. So now one differentiation is 0 minus cos 4 theta differentiation is sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta and 4 theta differentiation is 4 whole divided by 1 minus cos 6 theta. One differentiation is 0 minus cos 6 theta differentiation is sin 6 theta into 6. Yes, now let's substitute this theta value. If you substitute this theta value, sine 0 by sine 0 into 4 and divided by 6 here. Yeah, sine 0 by 0, once again, we get 0 by 0 form, right? 0 by 0 form we get it, and we won't be able to get this answer. Okay, so if you get 0 by 0 form, what we have to do? We have to differentiate once again. So let's differentiate this by keeping 4 and 6 separately. So I'll write 4 and 6 here. Limit, once again, theta tends to 0. Sine 4 theta differentiation is cos 4 theta into 4 whole divided by sine 6 theta differentiation is once again cos 6 theta into 6. Yes. Now if you substitute theta is equal to 0, so before that we'll multiply all the constants. It becomes 16 by 36. 16 by 36. Now let's substitute this value. It becomes cos 0 divided by cos 0. So you all know cos 0 by cos 0 is cos 0 is first of all 1. So 1 by 1 makes 1. The final answer that is left out is 16 by 36. 16 by 36. It is divisible by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 9s are 36. The answer is 4 by 9 is the correct answer. So do we have that option? Yes, option B. Option A, Option A, 4 by 9 is the correct answer. Now, the extension question for you all is find the limiting value. Limit theta tends to 0. Theta tends to 0. 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine 2 theta. 1 minus sine 2 theta. Okay. Now, please apply the L'Hospital rule, that is differentiation rule. And if you are getting 0 by 0 forms, only then you go for the second L'Hospital. If you don't get it, in that case, directly you substitute the theta value and check what is the required answers. Once you get the answer, please don't forget to put that in the comment section. The value of cos square 45 degree minus sine square 15 degree. Let's solve this. First, let's write cos square 45 degree minus sine square 15 degree. Sine square 15 degree. So we know cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So we know the ready value for that. Now we have to find sine 15 degree. So you should know how to find out sine 15 degree. So for that, we'll take standard angle. Sine A minus B formula I'm going to use now. Sine A minus B is equal to sine A into cos B. Sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. So this is one of the formula. So we are going to use this now. Now sine of, in place of A, I'll take 45 minus 30 I'll take. What is 45 minus 30? It is 15. So we get sine 15, right? So now A value is 45 degree, sine 45 and cos 30 minus cos 45 into sine 30. Yes. Now let's substitute these values. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is once again 1 by root 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So if you calculate, and in the left hand side we get sine 15 degree. Now if you solve further, we get root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. The denominators are same, so we get root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So you should be able to derive this, or else you should be able to identify what is sine 15 degree. Then this problem can be solved very quickly. So now let's calculate cos square 45 degree. So it is 1 by root 2 the whole square, 1 by root 2 the whole square minus sine square 15 degree. It is sine 15 degree, we know, that is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 the whole square. Now let's solve. This is 1 by 2 minus, this becomes 2 square first. 2 square is 4. 4 into root 2. Root 2 square is just 2. So it is 4 2s are 8, we get it. 8. Now in the numerator it is a minus b the whole square. So if you solve that, you get root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square is nothing but 3. Let's take a brackets. Plus 1 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 2ab we get it. Yeah, 2 root 3. Okay, if we solve further, we get 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 8. Next, if we solve this, we get 1 by 2 minus 4 by 8 plus 2 root 3 by 8, we get it. Now here we can cancel this. 4 1s are and 4 2s are. Yeah, then we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus, here also we can cancel now, 2 1s are and 2 4s are. We get root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. Look at this. Minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 we can cancel. The answer is root 3 by 4 is the answer. Root 3 by 4 is the final answer. We have that in option B. So option B is the correct answer. Now it's your question. Your question is, I'll just make a small change. It is sine square 45 degree. Sine square 45 degree minus cos square 15 degree. Sine square 45 degree minus cos square 15 degree. So follow the same procedure and find the correct answers and put it in the comment section. Next question. The area of triangle with vertices k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2 is area of 4 square units. Then the value of k. Here area value is given, so they're asking us to find out one of the unknown value in the coordinates. Okay, so let's see area of triangle formula. Area is equal to half of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. Okay, so this is the area of triangle formula. Now the given conditions are, area is given plus or minus 4. Okay, very important term. Here we have to consider plus or minus 4. Only then we get two values of k. Otherwise we won't be able to get two values of k. And why we have to take plus or minus 4? Because see, since we are finding out area, whenever we find out area, even if we get negative values, we consider that as a positive value. And determinant value, so there will be two values of area. So that's the reason we take plus or minus here. And let's continue. 1 by 2. Here the values are k0 1, 4 0 1 and 0 2 1. 0 to 1. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, now if you solve further, we get if you multiply this 2 here, we get plus or minus 8, correct? So we get plus or minus 8 is equal to, let's solve this further, half of, not half, because half already you have used. Okay, so now let's solve this. So k of 1 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 2 minus 0 of nothing is required because it is 0, plus 1 of 4 2s are 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. Let's solve further. Plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. Since there are two values, that is plus or minus, let's solve separately. First one is minus 2k plus 8 is equal to plus 8, and the other one is minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. Now If we solve further, we get minus 2k is equal to 8 minus 8. So minus 2k is equal to 0, and one of the k value is 0. And here minus 2k is equal to minus 8 minus 8, that is equal to minus 16. Minus 2k is equal to minus 16. So we get k value is equal to 8. So this is one more value. So what we can conclude is the answers, the values of k are k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 8. Option A is the correct answer. Now I want you all to do this extension question. Please take this. Area is plus or minus, or I should not give plus or minus, sorry. So area is uh, 20. Area is 20. The coordinates are, first one is 1 comma 2 and k comma 4 and 5 comma 2. Check whether you get this answer, and once you get this answer, please comment your answers in the comment section. Next question, the integrating factor of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. So first we have to write in the form of the general form of a linear differential equation. The general form of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is the general form of a linear differential equation. If you observe question, there is extra in the dy by dx. So let's divide the whole equation by x. So we get dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x square by x becomes x. Yeah, so now it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now if you observe carefully, the coefficient next to y is 2 by x, that is our p. So p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x. Yeah, this is not required. We are not finding the general equation here. So integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p dx is the formula. Here if you substitute this, so 2 by x into dx, 2 by x into dx. Now let us keep 2 outside. We get integration of 2 of integration of 1 by x dx. So you all know integration of 1 by x is log x. So it becomes integration of 2, this is 2 log x. Yeah, so now we can cancel this if we have 2 somewhere. So that is log b log a property. So b log a is nothing but log a power b, right? So I'm going to use that formula. It becomes e power log x square, e power log x square. When the exponential and the log with base e together, we can cancel this. Log and e gets cancels out. The integrating factor for us is x square. So the answer is option A, x square is the correct answer. Now the same type of procedure I want you all to do and find the integrating factor for this equation. The equation is x square dy by dx, x square dy by dx plus 3yx is equal to x cube. 3yx is equal to x cube. Use the same strategy and find the integrating factor for this equation, students. Next question, the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing in the interval. So there are 4 options. Let's see how to calculate this. First, let's write f of x. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. Now we'll find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Next, to find critical points, so there are 2 ways to solve this problem. So I'm going to use the longer method first. Once you understand the longer method, then I will teach you the shorter method. Now we'll take f dash of x is equal to 0. If we take f dash of x is equal to 0, then we get 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we get x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So this is the critical point for us. Now if we take interval, we got one critical point. That means we get two interval. I'll show you what it is. Minus infinity to minus 1, and this is plus infinity. So the intervals are, first interval is minus infinity to minus 1, and second one is minus 1 to positive infinity. So there are two intervals. Now we'll take the first interval, that is minus infinity to minus 1, and next one minus 1 to positive infinity. Okay, so there are two intervals. Now here we have to check f dash of x value. Okay, so the condition is, if f dash of x is equal to negative, then f of x will be decreasing. F of x will be decreasing. So this is the first condition. If f dash of x is negative, then f of x will be decreasing. In the same way, if f dash of x, if f dash of x is equal to positive value, if f dash of x is positive, then f of x will be increasing. I hope this condition is clear for you all. I repeat, the first one is, if f dash of x is equal to negative, then f of x will be decreasing. If f dash of x is positive, then f of x will be increasing. Now calculate this value. So one value in between these two ranges, we have to take. I'll take minus 2 and I'll substitute in the f dash of x. I'll take f dash of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2, it becomes minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, right? So it is negative. This is negative. Okay, now the other value, in between minus 1 to infinity, I'll take f dash of 0. 0 to 1 to any value we can calculate. So I'll take 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So we get plus 2. So it is positive, correct? So you all know, if it is if f dash of x is negative, it is decreasing. If f dash of x is positive, it is increasing. So for us, very clearly, it is indicating that f dash of x is positive in the interval minus 1 to infinity. So option A, right? Yeah, option A, minus 1 to infinity, is the correct answer. Now the shortcut method is, since I explained to say the function is increasing, it has to be positive. So can we take f dash of x should be greater than 0? If it is greater than 0, then f of x will be increasing, right? Yeah, so this is what the condition. Now we already got f dash of x, that is 2x plus 2. Let's write 2x plus 2 greater than 0. Yeah, so 2x greater than minus 2, x greater than minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So here it is indicating that x value should be greater than minus 1. So this is the answer. So from minus 1 to all these values, minus 1 to positive infinity. So it goes towards positive infinity. So from minus 1 to positive infinity, it increases. So here option A is the correct answer, minus 1 to infinity. So this is how I want you all to calculate. The first procedure is to understand the whole increasing and decreasing concept, and the second procedure is to calculate quickly. Now by using this strategy, I want you to calculate, find out the interval where f of x is decreasing. F of x is decreasing, so where f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. So use any of these strategy and calculate, find out the interval where f of x is decreasing. Okay, so f of x is decreasing. Okay, today's last question. The question is a determinant of 3x, x and 1 is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1. So the next value is, okay, so let's calculate this first. So if I write the determinants, it is 3x, x1 is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1. Yeah, so let's multiply this. Let's solve the 2 cross 2 determinants. So first one is main diagonal element. So this into this, 3 into 1 is 3, minus x square is equal to 3 ones are 3 minus 4 twos are 8. So we can cancel this 3 and this 3. We get x square is minus x square is equal to minus 8. We can cancel minus and minus. We get x square is equal to root 8. It's not root 8, sorry. X square is equal to 8. We get it first. And x is equal to square root of 8. It's nothing but 4 into 2. That becomes plus or minus 2 root 2 is the answer. So option A, plus or minus 2 root 2 is the answer. Now I want you to calculate this. 4, okay, I'll take here 4x, x and 2 is equal to 3, 4, 1, 8. So calculate the x value and comment your answers in the comment section.
Subscribe for more content.